It is so rewarding to beat many birds with one stone. This juice recipe isn't just refreshing and soothing. It comes with lots of benefits, especially because these are natural fruits that have lots of vitamins and nutrients in them. Welcome and welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. Just like the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, which means that if you eat foods that are nutritious like apples, you'll be very healthy. So before anything, wash the fruits and your hands as well so that you kill off all the germs. Through juice, you can consume as many components as you want in just one glass. So by the end of the day, one jug will be down and your body will be refined. Pineapples, apples, and carrots are a source of potassium, which helps to hydrate and to moisturize your skin, thus preventing dry skin. They are rich in fiber, which is essential in flushing out toxins from your body, thus helps to reduce acne breakouts. These fruits also have vitamin A and vitamin C, which boosts collagen production in your body. Collagen contributes to the skin elasticity and helps to prevent wrinkles. They possess vitamin A, which is beta-carotene. Beta-carotene has anti-inflammatory properties, which encourage reconstruction of tissues. So you should add this juice to your menu because it is going to help you have a glowing skin. It's going to revitalize your skin. It has anti-aging properties. It clears acne. I mean, who doesn't want to have a very nice, smooth, glowing skin? So just add everything to your blender. All these fruits have sugar, so don't add sugar to this juice recipe. And then you're going to have some water added in so that the fruits are blended into a very smooth juice. And then we're going to save it afterwards and we'll have this glass of goodness to ourselves. So this is how it looks like. Just going to sieve and then you have the juice. So I'm going to write down all these benefits down below in the description box in case you need to go through them. And I also have other juice recipes, so just check the playlist. There's so many nice healthy juice recipes. Thank you for watching.